Hi, my name's Kevin Wheeler. I have two different companies. One is called Global Learning Resources, and we're a consulting company. And the other company is called the Future of Talent Institute. And we do research into future trends in things like human resources, learning and education, recruitment, and other trends around people and talent. I'm going to be speaking about corporate education and some of the trends in corporate education. I think there are many interesting things happening in corporate education. There's a lot of change going on in how we teach people in the corporations. One of those changes is to make the learning more done by the learner himself or herself. Now we mostly have teachers who teach. I think what we're going to start to see is more of this being chosen by the learner because of the internet and so forth. The learner can find things that they want to learn and can study about them by themselves. But they will still need a coach or a mentor to help them to understand the content and to use it better. So that's one of the big trends, is a movement away from the classroom and a movement into more learner-driven education via the internet and video and other tools like that. Some of the other changes are related to that. There are things like creating a portal for people to access various material in the company. So making information in the company easily available to the employees to share. Also, for employees to teach each other. So more learning, and it can be face-to-face or it can be virtual. So for example, if you are very good at doing something, perhaps I can ask you how to do that, and you will show me how or teach me how to do that. So instead of having an instructor and a curriculum and a class, it would be more informal. And you could just say, I could say to you, can you show me how to do this? And you will show me how to do that. Very common with like programming, to learn how to program. Instead of taking a course in programming, I will ask my friends to show me, how do I do this? And I can practice on my own, I can write some code, and then you will look at it and tell me if it's good or bad and how to fix it. Right? So those are some of the trends that I see in corporate education. I think the things that perhaps Brazilian companies could begin to do more of is less formal classroom education and more of the informal online education, where they could let employees learn by themselves, access information by themselves without having to go to a class or a course or have a teacher.